Ever since I got a girlfriend, I got fat. And as a former gym bro trying to get back in shape, chicken is a staple in the diet. But I'm tired of eating some plain, dry-ass, gross chicken breast. So this series is to find the quickest and easiest, best-tasting chicken recipes so that you can hit your macros without feeling like you're dieting. In today's episode, we have honey garlic sesame chicken, which is basically just soy sauce mixed with some garlic, honey, oyster sauce, and you just kind of sear the chicken breast until it gets nice and brown. Make sure you add a bunch of cornstarch, that will help get the crispiness and the flavor. And then you basically just kind of emulsify it, simmer down the sauce, add the chicken, and then you can top it with some sesame seeds, green onion, eat it with rice, and it tastes really good. It's macro friendly. I honestly kind of messed up because I should have added less soy sauce, but it was still gas.